Good morning from back to Homesteading Off Grid. Today, I'm over at the battery box. Most of you have seen the batteries that I have in there now, and it keeps things warm in the winter and cool in the summer. And one of my problems has been this cord right here running out, and then it adapts to 30 amp. What I want to do, I cut a hole I didn't show you, and I'm going to put an outlet there so that I can close this lid all the way, help with dust storms and stuff. So I made this little pigtail because it's a 15 amp on one side, 30 amp on the other. We don't use more than the 15 amps, obviously, because that's the way it's been set up. And so I'm going to feed this through there. Into the battery box. And I'm going to try to connect that there so that it's easier to plug it in and unplug it. I've got a couple little screws here to try to do it. I pre-drilled a couple of holes. Looks like it's going to work okay. I'm hoping that these sheet metal screws will keep it from coming unplugged too easy. I cut little slots into the side. I think I did that wrong. I'll start with the bottom one. Honest, I pre-drilled it. That's better. And before you all freak out, I have my weatherproof container, weather-resistant container. I'm not sure what I did with the little insulation thing, but I'll find it. Okay, so you see I've got that screwed in tight. I will come back and put a sealant around it if I can't find the little foam thing that came with it. So all it's left to do plug it in. Maybe. Okay, it's plugged in. Unplug this. See, I can close this now. There's a couple of wires up front. Close it most of the way. So when you want to plug in your power, just like in an RV park, just lift this up, plug it in. Check my lights. I did it right. House is up and we're good to go. Thanks for watching, and come along with my next project. I'll try to remember to do videos on these little things that we do each day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Of course, no video is complete without coming over and checking on Judy in the garden. Hey Judy, how does your garden grow?
Well, we're growing pretty good today. Just getting the beds ready to go, or some of them. Taking care of the water. We've got Jerusalem artichokes up over there. The garlic's doing great. Watered the peach tree and the apple tree. Got a little bit of comfrey starting to pop up. The asparagus are coming along. And I'm about ready to put some of these things into pots and set them out where they're gonna live for the rest of their lives.
Where's the Jerusalem artichoke at?
It's over there, and it's on the far bed over there, and the little green shoots are just starting to peek out on a couple of places.
So were these ones we saved over the winter, or the ones we just didn't dig up until we moved them?
Both. Okay. One on the end was a didn't dig up, and then there are a whole bunch spread out throughout the bed that I had put in after I saved the chokes over winter.
So here's the apple tree, getting nice and leafed out. We can see that we obviously had a windstorm.
Yeah.
There's our peach tree, happy with life. And see if I can find any of these Jerusalem. I don't see them. Anyway, they're growing up in here in this bed somewhere. Show you one of these. See that? Once you plant these things, here's another one. You can literally dig these up as you need them over the winter.
But anyway, we don't have to show you this one. Show you some artichokes taken up.
So anyway, like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Comments help. I answer all comments right now till we're big, which probably will never happen. And there you go. It's another day in the high deserts of Arizona. Oh, there's a photo bomb. Let's get the old dog in there.
Yeah, we got to watch out for her because she's decided she likes asparagus.
That's Nubs.
That's Nubs.
And the other one I think is hiding in the shade. Yeah, you can't probably see her over there.
Yeah.
She likes being outside, but she likes being in the shade.
Yeah, and this mound of trees looks really well for her. It's a nice place.
All right, folks. We'll see you in the next video.